Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix Steam unable to sync error. So first, make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you in this video. So let's get on it. The first solution is to delete user data folder. So there is a folder called user data in the Steam directory. So it contains information regarding your cloud configuration files and your user sync data. So if some cloud configuration files get corrupted or damaged, you might get the Steam was unable to sync your files error. So in this case, you can try deleting the user data folder and then check if the Steam was unable to sync your files error gets fixed. So you can follow the steps right here to find and delete the user data folder. So first, what you'll need to do is to go to your Steam's directory, and the default installation path could be this one right here. So you can go ahead and check, and then next, then search for the user data folder from the list. So right click on it and choose to delete. And if you don't want to delete the folder, you can also cut paste it to another location. And then lastly, just restart the Steam and check if the Steam was unable to sync your data files issue gets resolved. And then next solution is to verify integrity of the game files. So it is possible that during the download or the update, some of the data may have been corrupted. So Steam Client has a built-in that can help you verify the integrity of the game files. And if you don't know how to verify the integrity of the game files, you can follow the steps right here. So first launch the Steam Client on your PC and then click onto the library to open the library section on your Steam. And then right click onto the target game from the list and select the properties from the menu. Switch to the local files. So right here in the picture, go to the local files tab and then click onto the verify of game files button to verify the game files. Then Steam will start verifying the game files. Just wait patiently. After it is finished, you can check to see if the Steam unable to sync error gets fixed. And if this solution still didn't fix the problem, you can go ahead and continue to the next solution, which is to disable Windows Firewall temporarily. So Steam may conflict with Windows Firewall. Sometimes Windows Firewall may mistake some of the Steam processes as malicious and try to block Steam, which could give rise to the Steam was unable to sync your files error on your PC. So to avoid this kind of errors caused by firewall, you can try by disabling your firewall temporarily. And after disabling the Windows Firewall, then launch the Steam and check if the Steam was unable to sync your files error message disappears. And if the firewall is not the culprit, you should enable it as soon as possible, as it helps to protect your computer from virus attack. And if this cannot resolve your issue, you may move down to this method, or you may which is to update game or the update Steam files. So updating Steam files in other way to fix Steam unable to sync your files error, this fix will not remove all your game files. Instead, some of the configuration folders will be deleted. In updating Steam files can remove all of the bad configuration files without reinstalling Steam from scratch on your PC. And if you don't know how to update Steam files, follow these steps right here. So first, close the Steam client on your PC and all the Steam and all of the Steam processes, and navigate to the default location of the Steam directory. So it is this one right here, and delete all the other files except Steam apps folder. User data folder, steam.exe file, and this SSFN file. So it could be more than one, this file right here. And there, relaunch the Steam using the administrator privileges, and it will be updated automatically. So after updating Steam file successfully, you can check if the Steam unable to sync with cloud error message has been removed. And if the mentions or if the solutions that I mentioned didn't work, you can have no choice but to reinstall the Steam. So that's it for this video. You remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.